Assalamualaikum, dear friends, and welcome to our channel, Bilradatillah, the secrets of the Quran and Dhikr. Today, we are going to explore a powerful secret contained in Surah Al-Kawthar, the 108th chapter of the Holy Quran, which can offer you protection against your enemies. Surah Al-Kawthar is one of the shortest chapters in the Quran, composed of only 3 verses, yet it holds great power. It is often recited to attract blessings and protection. Al-Kawthar means abundance and reminds us of Allah's infinite generosity. Today, I will share with you an ancient Confucian secret associated with this surah. This secret involves a special method of recitation that, when done correctly, can protect you from those who seek to harm you. I will explain this specific practice in detail. So, get comfortable, stay with me until the end, and listen carefully to discover how to put this secret into practice and how it can potentially transform your life. First, let me explain how to practice this secret. Begin by reciting Surah Al-Kawthar 313 times. Take your time, recite it with pure intention and sincere faith. On the 313th recitation, when you reach the passage, Houwal Abtar, repeat this passage 11 times. This may seem like a lot, but each word strengthens your protection. By repeating this passage, you invoke a powerful barrier against your enemies. This requires concentration and devotion, but believe me, the results are worth it. After completing the recitation of Surah Al-Kawthar and the specific passage, take a moment to make your dua, your supplications, against those who wish to harm you. Ask Allah to protect you and return any evil intentions to their sender. This is the time when you can express your intentions and desires to Allah, asking for protection and for any threats to be removed from your life. Be sincere and focus on your intention. Now, you might wonder what the benefit of this practice is. Well, according to those who have experienced this secret, it is said that anyone who tries to harm you will regret their actions. This practice creates a divine protection around you, repelling negative energies directed at you. Remember, the key to this powerful practice is sincerity and faith in Allah. Anyone who tries to harm you will regret their actions. Use this secret with pure intention and for just causes. In conclusion, this powerful secret of Surah Al-Kawthar can be a valuable resource in your quest for protection against your enemies. I encourage you to try this practice with sincere intention and observe the results in your life. Remember to practice it with respect and devotion. If you have experiences to share or questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching. May the peace and protection of Allah be with you.
إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر.